Hey y'all, I got a question and I want to take the time to answer it. The question was, do I play the stock market? And I usually don't mention this part, but I have a finance degree, which means I went to college to learn about finance and investing and how money works. And I have all of what you can learn in 4 years on that front. When I was really young, I used to do penny stocks and I used to follow the Wall Street Journal. This is back when newspapers were a thing, right? I was really interested in investing from a really young age. So this is something I did. I jumped in and out of stocks. I did all the things. I read all the papers. I read all the business. I watched CNBC all day, all the things. So in terms of someone who is qualified to play the stock market, I would think I am. But here's the deal. When I think of playing the stock market, I think of jumping in and out of stocks. So buying them, maybe selling them the next day, or buying them and watching them move throughout the day, throughout the trading day, and buying them and then selling them, maybe even the same day, right? I think of borrowing money to invest in the stock market. People do that. I think of shorting stocks. Just Google it. The point is, when I think of playing the stock market, I think of trying to earn money from the stock market on short-term activities, things that you do very quickly over a day, over a week, over a month, maybe even over a year. That would require reading newspapers and finding out which businesses are hot in the streets. That would require looking at the financials of certain businesses to figure out where they are. That would require listening to radios, reading newspapers, doing all the research to be able to jump in and jump out of the stock market quickly. Obviously, it requires some money, but maybe not so much. You could do this. This is a thing you could do. But to me, that type of investing is more like gambling. It's a short-term, quick money type of thing. And quite frankly, I've done it and I'm not interested in it. I'm not interested in trying to beat the market. I'm not interested in trying to learn and research individual stocks to try to figure out what's going to be hot. That is not the type of investor that I am. So I'm not downplaying. You can truly make money if you are interested in that type of activity. I'm not. The type of investor that I am is that I am going to buy something. I'm going to hold it for a particular amount of time. Maybe I have a goal. Maybe I'm selling it when my kid needs to go to college. Maybe I am, whatever my thing is. I have a reason that I'm holding what I'm holding. The point is, I'm not interested in following stocks or the financial markets or jumping in and out or any of those things. I just don't have the lifestyle for that. But if you do, it could be fun. I mean, it could be a thing where you could truly make money. I'm just not that kind of girl. So I just wanted to throw that out there. When we talk about playing the stock market, that's never going to be the kind of advice I give. That is never going to be something I tell you to do because I don't dig it. But if you do, have fun. Understand it's risky. It's very much like gambling in Las Vegas or something. But it might work for you. It just doesn't work for me. That's it. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.